Hello everyone, today we are going to solve class 2 IEO set A of year 2018. So let's see the first segment, which is word structure knowledge. So yeah, let's begin. For question 1 and 2, choose the correct word which is spelled. So here we have some sort of words and you have to find out which is the correct one. So if you see option C, it is waiting and also correctly spelled. So we will go with this. Now let's see the next question, which is also a blank, and we also have to choose the correct word here too. So what is the correct word, friends? Absolute. Choose the synonyms of happy. So don't be worried what is synonyms is. It is the word for similar. Like you just have to choose a word which is similar to happy. So tell me which word is similar to happy. Tell me. Yeah. So it is merry. You often have heard people saying Merry Christmas. So this merry is a word used for happy. So if you want to tell someone Happy Christmas, you can also say Merry Christmas. Now let's move on to question number 4th. Here we have to find out the antonyms of clever. Don't be surprised by seeing this word. It is just the opposite words, a different word used to say opposite words. So you have to find a word opposite of clever. So what is it? So it is silly. Okay, now let's see question number 5 to 8. The animals don't have leg, so they are fishes. Where can you not play cricket? So if you see, where can we not play cricket? So in kitchens we can't play cricket. In parks and garden and street we can. Which food is spicy? So paneer, chili, pomegranate or mango. So pomegranate, mango are fruits, while paneer is not spicy. So only option is chili. Which thing has 4 legs? So which thing has 4 legs? If you see, a chair has 4 legs, neither the fish nor the bird and nor the snake. Now let's see question number 8, which is not made of water. So which is not made of water, friends? So rain is made up of water, glacier is, fog is also. So rock is not made up of water, it is made up of soil. Let's see question number 9 to 17. So here the examples are shown. Sarah is riding her new bike. So we have to see which option is correctly matchable and suitable for the blank space we have. I wish I had dash favorite shoes. So I wish I had my favorite shoes 10. He loves to eat dash bowl of pasta for dinner. So what is the correct option, dear? So the correct option here is option A bowl of pasta for dinner. Question number 11. We neither eat meat dash eggs. So like I said, if we use the word neither, then we must go with the other abbreviative word, which is nor. So option C. Let's see the next question. Look at dash flowers, beautiful flowers over there. So look at, now here we have flowers. It's a plural word. So look at the look at those beautiful flowers there. Okay. Question number 13. I never wear shoes dash the weekend. So I never wear shoes at the weekend. Okay. He always cooks dash. So he always cooks quickly. It's an adverb which is used here to modify the verb. Question number 15. Have you ever dash a giraffe? So have you ever seen a giraffe? Outside my window I can see leaves dash trees. So outside my window I can see leaves and trees. Okay. The timetable says the train dash at 6 tomorrow. So what is the correct option, friends? Leaves. Okay. Look at the picture. Let's count the number of members here first. Like 3, 3, 6. Like total of 7. 2 are parents. This is mom and this is dad. Okay. Now let's see. 4 of the children are dash. So 4 of the children are playing, sitting, eating, shouting. So if you see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 of the children are sitting, neither shouting nor playing nor eating. Okay. Now the barbecue is dash smoking badly. So is the barbecue smoking badly? Yeah, it is really smoking badly, because if you see, you can observe the smoke here. Like, let's clear it out first. Yeah, you can see. Question number 20. The rug has big dash on it. So the rug has, what is it? Squares. Okay. Like here 1, 2, these are the squares you can see. Like basically it is talking about the quilt or blanket which is on the floor or on the ground. 21st question. What is in the front of the rug? So in the front of the rug, a pallet or jug or cup or dish. What is it? So in front of the wait a minute. Yeah, in front of the rug there is a jug. Now let's read the passage to answer some more questions. 22nd to 25th question are on the basis of this passage. So let's read it. Near the large grassy hill over the bridge that crosses the river lives a large ginger cat. His name is Humphrey and he has a big family. His mother and father, Jill and Jack, moved there many years ago, long before Humphrey was born. There they traveled all the way from the city to live in the lovely spot in the countryside. The city was overcrowded and they needed more space and fresh air. Humphrey has 3 aunts and an uncle, Ted, who also moved to the same area. Now there are many cats who live in this nice place near the hills. Humphrey has 10 brothers, 16 sisters, and a lot of cousins. Despite having such a large family, he is the only cat to have ginger hair. The other cats have hair of many different colors. He feels very proud of his hair and likes to look after it. He gets on well with everyone in the family. He is the oldest, and his younger brother and sisters look up to him. They often ask for advice and copy what he does. So, this is a simple and short story of a cat whose name is Humphrey, and it is about his family members. So now let's read it. What is Humphrey's father's name? So Humphrey's father here is Jill and Jack, and Ted is his uncle. So Jill. What is where does Humphrey live? So Humphrey live in the countryside. As you can see, how many sisters does Humphrey have? So if you see here, it is mentioned that he has 16 sisters. So 16. How does Humphrey feel about his hair? So he feel proud, like it is mentioned here. Now let's see the next question and next segment also, like, which is spoken and written expression. Ravi, dash the ball to me. Arav. Arav, here you go. So Ravi, throw the ball to me. Aks, I am so tired. It is 26th number question, friends. So Abhi, me too. The coach was tough on us today. So here there are two kids talking to each other about the tiredness after being the practice done by the coach or under the consideration of the coach. Let's read 27th question. Grant, I have a new watch. Blaze, it looks dash lucky. Lucky you. So basically the correct word for here is it looks totally awesome, because if it is ugly, then the word lucky is not used, or imaginable or absolutely fine is also not used for this. So totally awesome. 28th question. Lance, I went to the supermarket dash some snack. So to get some snacks. Okay, now let's see the next question, which is Fred, wakey wakey, Eric, oh my dear, it's early. What dash is it? So what is the correct option here? So what hour is it? Like, if it is early, then the friend Eric must be asking about the time. Con, I can never get enough speed when I am running. Alice, it just comes dash for me. So I don't know if I can help. So what is the correct word here? Naturally. Okay, like here there is a kid asking another kid to help him while running, but he is saying that it is natural, I can't help you out. Now friends, this is the most marks scoring section, achievers section. So let's see. My brother dash this film, it is really shock him. It will really shock him. So what is it? So if it is about shock, then he must not have seen it before. So what is it? The word which is with not. So there are two words which are with not. So what is the correct word? So the correct word here is option C, hasn't ever seen. I have never been able to eat such dash food. So what is it? Tell me. Such rich food. It is a talk about the nutrition values or whatever it is. So food must be rich in quality, not big, not greasy, and not quickly. I am not going to mess dash. I will tell you directly. So what is the correct word for 33rd question? Around. Mess around is a kind of proverbial word formation which is used Let's see 34th question. Choose the correctly spelled word. Here the word is aggressive and it is correctly spelled in option B. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Pretty dash tight. This is a great roller coaster. So if Britty is riding on a roller coaster, then what she should do? Hold on tight. Okay. Now we have solved the paper successfully, guys. And if you like the video and want to see more such videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel. And for the paid courses, if you are willing to join our paid courses, then must mention your name in the comment section so that we can contact you. Thank you.